every single new and working code in Anime Last Stand. Redeem every single one of these new codes for brand new units, as well as some free gems. Literally free gems. Look at the Hawkeye. Me Hawk. That was the last update. Update 63. Fire Pirate. Hawkeye. Zucchini. You got some bowback units. The boss, Brandon. I don't actually know who the Brandon is, but we got the boss Brandon. The trio, of course. Click on codes. Redeem every single one of these Anime Last Stand codes to get yourself started inside of this new update. Free rerolls, free pearls. The first code is sorry for OP delay. Sorry for OP delay. These are verified and certified developer codes for redeeming free gems. Everybody missed it, but these are ones of the most valuable codes to redeem inside of Anime Last Stand. I'm not really sure if you have to join a group. We get some technique shards, pearls for free. The next code, subscribe. Hawkeye! Exclamation point. Don't miss on any future codes. Like the video and subscribe for future codes. Hawkeye. You must be in the official group to redeem this code. So this is a group code. This is a group code. This is a group code, so you do have to join a group before you can claim 20 rerolls and a bunch of free pearls. Update 6.3. Update 6.7. 6.3. If you're 6.7, comment 6.7. Exclamation point. Update 63. Free rerolls. Free pearls. The next code is a boss event as well as secret. YouTube is back. You do need to join the group of the developers for some of these codes. Other than that, you can actually redeem every single one of these and get yourself a bunch of free rerolls, pearls, free gems, as well as these other crystals. Bowback. Get the bowback. What else? I mean, you can see my inventory. This is what I have. I don't really remember getting these units. We get some limited ones, because the game has given us some free units for redeeming these codes.